What's going on, guys? EJT here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, the giant guitar in front of the rock and roller coaster starring the Muppets has officially been revealed, and of course there is talks on social media on whether they love it or not. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the cover has officially been removed for the giant guitar and officially revealing the paint job they have done to it. Now, it does stray away from the original concept image we got, where it did still keep kind of that red border around the guitar. As you can see in these images from DrewDisneyDude on X, it did not keep that same border, and they actually painted it some different colors there, which is very interesting. And as we've seen over the last couple of days and weeks, the complete paint job of the area itself, going from that tannish gold building and archway in front with the car spun upside down to now a gray color completely painted over, which in my opinion, I think that it actually makes the guitar and the car itself pop a little more with the psychedelic colors. However, many on social media have started to talk about if this is the wrong decision and if they do not like the way the guitar is painted at all. Now, this hasn't been completely finished yet, so there's still some painting to go, so we don't have a final product at this time. However, a lot of people are going back and forth and arguing whether it looks good or not. For me, again, I think the color actually pops more with that gray background, but I certainly do understand kind of losing some color there with that golden tan color that was originally there, and now just going to a straight kind of more boring gray, a more modern day gray, you could even say, with how everything is nowadays with houses just going with white and gray color schemes rather than the more colorful psychedelic version that they're looking for here with the Muppets. So definitely some back and forth going on social media, but again, this is still a project that is ongoing. They just removed the cover for it now, so they're still going to be working on getting that all taken care of before the official opening on May 26th. We haven't got too much of a look inside of what the different decorations look like, other than that Imagineering video that came out about a week or two ago. So I'm very interested to see what the layout and outlook is within there, but for me, this is not a big deal. I think the guitar looks good. I think it stays for the most part for what they were looking for within the concept image, but you know, Disney does get heat over the years from straying too far away from their original concept images, so of course people are going to be really nitpicking every little thing, every little detail they show us. Now, the poster hasn't been added to the wall quite yet. I'm sure there's still some coats of paint and stuff like that that still needs to be done before that happens. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. And really, at the end of the day, it's going to be the same ride inside. So as long as this soundtrack works with the roller coaster, which will still be to be determined, I think it's going to be an awesome re-theme. And I think fans, especially fans of the Muppets, are really going to enjoy it. So we'll see what happens. I still think they should have done power lines. I think that would have been an epic re-theme. But completely understand with losing the Muppets attraction, now going towards this version of having a Muppets attraction. So we'll see how it all works out. But in the comment section below, guys, let me know your thoughts on this news. And as always, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.